DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Oh, yo. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what it is. In the lab. Another reaction. Yeah, man, gang, I swear with you today. Yeah, man, we're there, we're there with the Ratty Gang camp, And see, we're there with none other than the Ratty Gang boss himself. We're there with Skeng and the one named Hasta Lavista. Yeah, man, nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you, Yo, Skeng love the Spanish title for his song. Them man, I take it the whole Spain town. Man from Spain thing really serious, You see me? Instead the whole Spanish town native thing, this nigga taking it real serious, gang. Because in Japan new chunk, the one named Hasta Lavista. We check it out, see what dog got deal with today. You know what I'm saying? You don't know Skeng, but artist. We don't have to, we don't have to get into all that. We just have to jump right into it and see what dog got deal with today. Hold up, bro. What's going on with my mic? Yeah, we're not all over the we just have to jump right into it. We see what dog got deal with today. You see me and say, it's a Skeng Hasta La Vista gang. You already know what time it is. Let's get it, gang.
Yeah, who is?
I miss Chin.
You again?
I come for expose that dirty drunkard named Skeng.
Wait,
You think him gonna just fuck him all and turn off him phone, sir? He must have blood clot.
Well, that's a bomba that is a popular stereotype audio. Bombo clip.
Drunkard named Skeng.
Wait,
You think him gonna just fuck him all and turn off him phone, sir? He must have blood.
Come for expose Skeng. Dog say with what? Eh? You can expose the dog for man. You dog give one palm and cut a go and mama talk things.
Stop mad.
Ratbat! The man not telling how much times I'm a sinner. And a roost crew. And down a bumbo clad. Fuck at your own risk.
Ratbat! The man not tell us, say what's in I say what? Hey, yo, me like this. Fuck at your own risk, mama. You see me, I'm saying?
Wait,
You think him gonna just fuck him all and turn off him phone, sir? He must have blood clot mad.
Ratbat! The man not telling how much times I'm a sinner. And a roost crew. And down a bumbo clad. Fuck at your own risk.
You want to tell us about Ratbat? Eh? You want to tell her? I say my roast cool and I'm a bumbo clad. Fuck at your own motor. Yo, hey, they need to bring back stereotype. Big man thing.
And down a bumbo clad. Fuck at your own risk.
In the fuck but a girl close me take up. I wish someone a praise like last.
Straight, nigga. That's how you start off a song, nigga. Tell them straight, nigga. We know fuck body run over here. We know fuck body over here. So dog straight, girl. I'm here, man. Come in, man.
And a roost crew. And down a bumbo clad. Fuck at your own risk.
In the fuck but a girl close me take up. I wish someone a praise like last. Bible gas in a yard. I fuck it up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we know what him and youth. You see me, the girl clothes we take off. You see me, we don't know someone are praying, man. Them man the last, man. Yeah, man, them man the last, man. Like when Bumbuckler money drop out a pocket. Yeah.
Ultimate in your thought, you a girl alone more. Put a fat pussy in a jar. Hold a hand, cook it up.
Yo, wait. The girl a bum. No, the girl a pussy.
In your thought, you a girl alone more. Put a
yo, watch out.
fat pussy in a jar.
Me bumbuck, how when them blur that, mama? How when them blur that, we can see that. Jeez.
Pull a can cook it out hard and sing it tired. When we don't shave back a pork, time when shave a newborn. Some of the young girl like Hasta Lavista. I get pussy and I call the phone. Night and get
Man say Hasta Lavista, me get the pussy and don't call the phone, mama. Hush.
cool and you home alone.
Get chopped.
In my zone, I'm not the road, but I find I enjoy every reach a toe. You look good.
Me like. You look on your shit. Yeah, man.
Skin it out, back it out on the floor. But Molly and I beg me for more. I shouldn't care at 2024. Too many gal on the island, dog. Better find one. Me a wild man. Your mom's high.
Yeah, man. Too many gal up on the island, dog. You better find one. How you there, on? You better find a gal.
Gal country and town gal out a port. New gal, black gal and brown gal. In the past, no gal, slim gal and fat gal. Right pan the cock gal like ten of buck gal. See me and
me no pass no gal, slim gal, and fat gal, right on the cock gal like can have back gal. Easy no man.
top gal.
Shit, is that granny that? Skeng. No. Weird. How many? Skeng, no. Granny, I put it on dog. No, bro. No, Skeng, no, bro. That don't funny, dog. Granny, dog, I put it on the Skeng. Man say, skirt now, no bum.
Can't give them props, young girl like Hasta Lavista. I'ma get pussy on the telephone. Night I get cold, you home alone. In my zone, I'm not go road, but I find out.
Yeah, one night I get cold and me there with me the home alone. Nah, go road, mama forward, man.
I enjoy every chateau. You look more. Skin it out, back it out on the floor. But I'm a and I beg me for more. I shouldn't care at 20.
Easy, mama. Yeah, man. Someone, mama, put your, mama standing up, put your foot across his shoulder. Yeah, mama. Yeah, man. That's what you call a very nice time.
Year 2024. Fill up up, but you know, I tell.
Gala, she could when she been over in her brother.
Close me take up. I was time on the breeze like us. Broke a fiber gas in a yard. I fuck it up to me in a yard. Chow a gal alone more. Put a fat pussy in a jar.
Yeah, man, must take a fiberglass in the yard. And you low your dirty meds in your thoughts. A gal alone me want. You see, straight tell them Skeng.
In a yard. I fuck
Tell them Skeng, man, say, well, a fiberglass in the yard. You feel?
breeze like us. Broke a fiber gas in a yard. I fuck it up to me in a yard. Chow a gal alone more. Put a
Buck a fiberglass in the yard. I fuck with dirty meds in your thoughts, nigga. A gal alone me want, nigga.
fat pussy in a jar. All the time cook it out hard and sing it tired. When I don't shave back the pork, time when shave and you want some of the tongue gone.
Bro, granny Skeng a put it on. Hey, Skeng. Hey, boy, Skeng got some wild boy, you know, man. Watch, mama. Easy, mama. Jump out of the black plastic. Easy. I love this. It's funny, fun. Mama. Skeng out. Hey, Skeng out. Eat up. Easy. Mama, I get hook over again. Hey, boy, Skeng. Skeng is a big house Skeng. Skeng is a little Joe value. Watch me outside, too. Blood, please. Oh, we get artists. Skeng na easy, man. Very fun video. Me enjoy this one. Let's be honest, me enjoy this. Mama, hey. Clock, girl. You know, I said the first girl do that. When the girl been over them, the girl they shape like. Oh, yeah, but you see the peach emoji? Yeah, man, and then girl, the emoji they make for man.
Hear me know that Jakes.
Yo, girl been over look like a heart, bro. You see me answer? Yeah, man. Girl, she good for a buck. All who still have palm that, you know, they feel nice. Yeah, man. Feel nice when I beat that bumble. Yeah, man. That's a word, gang. What do you think about the one day? You see me dropping the comments in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, I don't think about the favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, the visuals. Bro, I really enjoyed the video. The video was very fun. You see me? The video was very fun. The visuals was really dope as well. The girl them bad. Especially Muma in the, what was that, pinkish salmon color. Muma bad, no blood. Muma bend over, Muma have the shape, them man. Yeah, man, the shape, they make niggas go crazy. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. So, drop on the favorite part. We know anything about the one in the comment section. Yeah, let's chop it up. Drop your request to get your shout out, all that good stuff. Yo, Skeng doing his thing. This one for the ladies. I know the ladies gonna love that one, man. It's a very fun track, very enjoyable track. I really rock with that one. You see me? Might have that one for this playlist, especially for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Really dope track. Skeng, big up yourself. You see me? Keep doing your thing, gang. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.